We were handed nuclear weapons out of a world war. We've been playing ethical catch-up ever since. The next thing is going to be when robots are programmed to make the decision as to whether life is to be taken. Machines don't have emotion. There's no getting away from them. I don't think they can be uninvented any more than nuclear weapons can be uninvented. I think we have to get our retribution in first this time. Humans aren't quick enough to defeat machines. We need machines to defeat machines.